Kenwood revamped their DDX375B with a brand new design, introducing the DDX376BT double-din DVD receiver. The first noticeable difference is the command button panel, which has been slightly changed, featuring a new backup camera source button to instantly take you to the video feed of that camera anytime, so long as it's wired properly. After taking away the iPod AV auxiliary inputs on the DDX375BT, Kenwood brought it back for the DDX376BT. Why would you take it away in the first place? Damn, quit playing with our hearts, man. This will allow you to display an outside video source onto the stereo, or even mirror a device with the QMV TOP35AV1 and Bueller BU HDMI-V. Links for all adapters in the video bio. The boot timer of the stereo is pretty decent at 14 seconds. Bluetooth is a necessary feature today. It allows you to practice hands-free calling plus wireless music streaming. The DDX376BT also offers dual phone connection. Connecting a device via USB port of course enables a charge to your phone and also gives you access to your music and app control over Pandora, Spotify, and iHeartRadio through the stereo. The difference between the USB and Bluetooth connections is that the USB displays album artwork onto the stereo, and the Bluetooth connection does not, but still provides track tags. The DDX376BT has Android Rapid Charge and Android Music Playback. The stereo's tuner features 24 FM/AM station presets. This radio is compatible with DVDs, and no, the display is not HD. I know, bro, I know. Don't get mad at me. I didn't design the thing, we just sell it. But movies and videos still look pretty great on the clear resistive screen. Connecting a USB thumb drive adds the ability to display photos and videos on the radio as well as music files. For audio, the radio is compatible with playback of MP3, WMA, AAC, WAV, and FLAC files. And for videos, compatible with playback of MPEG-1, MPEG-2 files, as well as JPEG images. Because of safety regulations, in order to view images, movies, and videos while driving, you'll need to bypass the parking brake. Link in the bio for that. Select a preset background for the display or customize it by uploading one yourself with a USB thumb drive. The DDX376BT has extensive expandability options. Installing the iDialing Maestro RR integrates your vehicle with factory audio systems like Bose and Infinity. Integrates factory steering wheel controls, satellite radio, and USB. It also adds OBD2 support with vehicle information, allowing you to check out gauges, tire pressure, adjust climate control, parking assist. Use the video outputs and connect the stereo to backseat monitors. The radio is also Sirius XM ready with the SXV300V1, and you can add steering wheel control with the Axxess ASWC1. Add a backup camera and control the adjustable parking grid guidelines. Get links to everything in the video bio. The keys have variable color illumination to set to any color you want or use the scan option. Customize the layout of your home screen sources. The audio settings start with a customizable 13-band EQ with optional presets. The connections in the back include wiring harness for power ground and speaker, Sirius XM, iDialing Maestro, Bluetooth microphone, iPod AV in, video output, backup camera, 3 sets of 4-volt preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, radio antenna, and USB. The radio comes with a wiring harness, Bluetooth microphone, and parking brake extension. Purchase the wireless remote control separately. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.